In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add files and attachments in Asana. If you've ever had scattered documents, screenshots, or PDFs living outside your tasks, this will pull everything together so your team can find what they need exactly where the work is happening. Start by opening Asana and navigating to the project where your work is organized. You can find it from the sidebar or use the search bar if you're juggling multiple projects. Make sure you're in the right workspace or team so the project and tasks you expect are visible. Once the project loads, you'll see its list or board view with all the tasks laid out. Next, select the task you want to add a file to. Click the task name to open its details pane. This panel is where all the important context lives: the description, assignee, due date, subtasks, comments, and, importantly for today, attachments. Keeping files attached directly to a task helps everyone understand the latest version in the right context, rather than hunting through email threads or chats. At the top of the task details, look for the paperclip icon, sometimes labeled Attachments. Click it to open the attachment options. This is the quickest way to bring supporting documents into the task, and it keeps your files tied to the exact work item they support. Now choose the option to pick a file from your computer. Your file browser will open, and you can select a document, image, spreadsheet, PDF, or other supported file type. After you select your file, Asana will upload it to the task. Give it a moment if the file is large, and wait for the upload to finish so your teammates can access it without errors. When the attachment appears in the task, you'll see a thumbnail or file name right in the details pane. To make the attachment more useful, add a short note in the task description or a comment explaining what the file is and how it should be used. Clear context saves time for reviewers and reduces back and forth. You can click the attachment to preview it, download it, or open it in a new tab. If your organization uses cloud storage, you may also see options for connecting to those providers. Choose what your team prefers and has permission to use. A few quick tips. Use consistent file names so versions are easy to track, and attach updated files to the same task to keep the history in one place. If you don't see the attachment after uploading, refresh the task to confirm it's synced. That's it. Your file is now attached, easy to find, and shared with everyone collaborating on the task.